Hello everyone, I'm Johan Envall with Covr Security, a Swedish digital identification solution providing eID and cybersecurity protection. So Covr Security provides digital identification technology. That is in order to protect your end users and ensure privacy between yourself as a service provider and themselves. It's also enabling an improved user experience for using and accessing your services. We are a next generation technology having eliminated passwords and usernames and credentials altogether from the equation, radically improving security. And fourthly, service providers typically have created new business models around identification, and this technology provides you such to generate new revenue for providing authentication. Our background, we are from Stockholm, as mentioned, in Sweden. Our founder was the godfather and creator and innovator of the Swedish bank ID technology that was launched in Sweden about a decade ago, and that's become a very strong success factor in the Nordic markets. Today, the bank ID service provides 98% of the population a very easy to use tool in order to access their financial service providers, the banks, but also the government and authorities services such as education and healthcare, and also third-party private services. One solution fits all for easy access and secure access and authorization and digital signature service. So today, about 10 million Swedes are using it for about almost 5 billion transactions each year, making it one of the most popular and most used app in the society. So basically, it's all about putting the end user in control and ownership of their data, not to be shared with the wrong individual, and to approve anything goes on with their funds in the bank or their information online. The old way of doing so, or the existing way of doing so in most cases, is using one-time passwords and SMS text messages. This is used to create a two-factor authentication service for compliance. However, security is very questioned in this regard, and the user experience could be offering a lot more, to be honest. So our solution has approached this and completely redesigned it, fundamentally thinking out of the box and eliminating, as mentioned, the username and password of things. A one-time password, such as the text message, or your static password. The security technology is based on 3 layers: out-of-band technology, the passwordless and credentialless solution with biometrics, asymmetric encryption, and PKI technology. The services applies to a lot of verticals, financial services, of course, but also governments and authorities, telecoms, healthcare, education, whatever you need to access online information and service from your providers. It's relevant to think about the security and the easiness of use to access. So our trusted experience bring it to a whole new level of smart access control, push notification privacy, 3-factor authentication, a username and password free service, and it's regulatory and future proof for the next generation. Our service is available through an existing Covr app. However, the most popular solution is to insert this technology into your existing app with an SDK to upgrade your existing interface and user experience for your customers. We also enable digital onboarding. So in addition to your existing channels to acquire new customers, your existing app can now offer them to identify themselves with the documentation as well as their facial interface in order to create the KYC process for them to become customers with you in a digital channel. This is the flow of a payment with your smartphone app without any text messages or any other hardware or any other needs. This is the flow, and it's easy like that. Log into the laptop for online services by only logging into the smartphone app, scanning a QR code on your public web page, and providing access into your accounts. An online card transaction, receive a notification, log into your smartphone app and confirm. That's it. 3 steps without any text messages or anything else for your Visa or MasterCard transaction. Accessing ATM cash withdrawals with an extra layer of security in addition to your card and PIN code. You will receive a notification to confirm the transaction as well in a separate channel. Customer support. You calling in or customer support is calling you, and you create trust by confirming your identification in your smartphone app instead of having to answer some other tedious details and questions of your address, etc. This was Covr Security in a wrap, and I hope to hear from you. Please contact us on info@covrsecurity, and we'll be happy to talk more to you.